Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to use Azar App, the global video chat platform that lets you meet people all over the world. Let's get started. First, in your browser, search for Azar App. Then here, sign in using your mobile number, email, or social media login. And once signed in, you'll see an option to browse files, video chats, and explore the features. This web version lets you do the basic chatting and discovery directly in the browser without extra software. You can also use an Android emulator if you want to download and install it in your phone. Then in Azar, go to your video chat and start live video sessions. You can swipe or match with people, use random pairing system so you can meet others instantly. You can also browse launch to see profiles, follow people, and send messages. This might be free messages items. And you need to be respectful, respect community guidelines, use report or block tools if someone makes you uncomfortable, and you can adjust the filters like gender, country, or language. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.